Managing laptops remotely can be an IT nightmare. Devices spread across locations, security risks piling up, and endless troubleshooting headaches. Sound familiar? Without the right tools, IT teams waste hours on manual updates, they struggle to secure sensitive data and keep up with employee productivity demands. It's a mess no one wants to deal with. But here's the good news. SureMDM is here to save the day. With a powerful solution from 42 Gears, it transforms remote laptop management from chaos to control. With SureMDM, enrolling devices is a breeze, whether they're running on Windows, macOS, or even Linux. Choose from multiple enrollment methods like Windows Autopilot or Zero Touch from macOS, and get your fleet onboarded in no time. Security? Covered. SureMDM lets you enforce password policies, encrypt data with BitLocker or FileVault, and even remotely lock or wipe lost devices, keeping your business data safe from threats. Secure user authentication with built-in IDP, and secure every connection with zero trust access and advanced tunneling technology. SureMDM helps achieve aspects of compliance with industry standards like ISO, HIPAA, and SOC 2, giving you peace of mind that your organization meets regulatory requirements. Need to deploy apps or updates? SureMDM automates it all. Install software and push patches across your fleet with no user intervention required, and keep everything up to date without breaking a sweat. Let's be real, when your users experience issues with their laptops, it is not fun. The built-in remote control feature of SureMDM lets you troubleshoot problems from anywhere. Access devices, fix problems fast, and minimize downtime. No plane tickets required. The result? Happier employees, boosted productivity, and an IT team that's back in control. SureMDM streamlines management, enhances security, and scales with your business, big or small. Managing laptops remotely doesn't have to be a nightmare. With SureMDM, it's simple, secure, and seamless. Ready to take control? Sign up for a free trial and see the difference for yourself.